In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your account from the settings menu. Logging out is a simple but important habit, especially if you share a device or want to switch accounts. I'll walk you through the exact process and point out what to expect along the way so you can do it confidently and quickly. First, open the app or website and head over to Settings. The settings area is usually represented by a small gear icon. On mobile apps, you'll often find it in the bottom navigation bar or inside a side menu. On desktop, it might be in the top corner, sometimes behind your profile photo or a three-dot menu. If you don't see it right away, look for anything labeled Settings or Preferences. It's the same place you need. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called My Account. Depending on the platform, it may also appear as Account, Account Settings, or Profile, but the idea is the same. This is where your personal account options live. Tap or click My Account to open your account details. Here, you'll typically see options related to your profile, security, and sessions. Inside the account area, find the Logout option under the account menu. It may be labeled Logout or Sign Out. Select it to begin the sign out process. Many platforms will show a brief confirmation prompt to make sure you intended to log out, especially if you have unsaved work or active sessions. Go ahead and confirm to proceed. If you've been working on something, consider saving your progress beforehand so nothing gets lost when your session ends. After you confirm, the app or site will sign you out and bring you back to the sign-in screen or homepage. This means your current session is closed and anyone using that device will need to enter login details to access your account again. This is a great way to protect your privacy on shared computers or when handing your phone to someone else. If you don't immediately see the logout option, double check that you're within My Account and not a general settings page. Scroll to the bottom of the account menu. Logout often appears there. Some platforms also include a small arrow or an expanded menu where the sign out option lives. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to My Account, then choose Logout and confirm. With these steps, you can sign out safely, keep your information secure, and switch accounts without any trouble. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to log out like a pro.